Hey everyone! So I'm going to try to do round two of this video take for week 3, day 1. I started the first one and my dog started barking, so I had to pause it, delete it, and here we go again. So in your social studies folders, please locate the week 3, day 1 pack there, or the week 3 pack, and inside that pack look for day 1. It should be 3 actual worksheets. One, you're looking for the word search, and the second page is the list of words. All right, and then the second thing you're looking for is the introduction here, and I'm going to read off the introduction. All right, so you can pause the video and look for your things, and I'll be here waiting for you. When you're ready to come back, just unpause. Alright, so first you have it doesn't matter what order you do it in. You don't want to do the word search first and listen to me read the introduction. Doesn't matter. But you have to complete the word search, which there's 20 words to find. The words are on the second page here of the other worksheets. The 20 words are there. Alright, you find them vertically, which remember is up and down, horizontally, or diagonal, either way. Okay, so that's that part. All right. I didn't really go hard and heavy on today's assignments, so if you have some catching up to do, you have the opportunity to catch up on your other classes. Please remember, you must complete each assignment for each day with the classes. I know a couple of students, I guess, were getting a little confused in some of their phone calls. They didn't realize that some of their classes have work for each and every single day. So think about this. Think about your student schedule. If you have that class every day, that means there is going to be an assignment listed every single day for that class, and that assignment must be done in order for you to receive credit for attending that day. Okay, for example, classes that you might only go to once a week, like group counseling, that's a once a week thing. You have a packet for that one day per that week. Okay, for art, or we have actually music now. For music, okay, you only go to music 3 times a week, so there's something for each of those 3 days that you would go to music. All right, so hopefully that helps to clear things up here. But I'm going to get in and read the introduction here on the geography in the early settlement of China. Just like we did during week 1 and week 2, I would have a writing utensil or a highlighter or something in hand while we're doing these readings, so you can keep track, and you don't have to do the 5 facts for the introduction because you guys have the word search, but that's a very good handy tool to remember to use. So, geography in the early settlement of China. And you're going to keep this question in mind. How did geography affect life in ancient China? In this lesson, you will explore the geography of the vast land of China. You will read about the physical features, climates, and vegetation that greatly influenced the way of life of the early Chinese people. China is a large country in Eastern Asia. Words like highest, largest, and longest come to mind when talking about China's geography. The world's highest mountains, the Himalayas, are in China. We hear a lot about the Himalaya mountains. Okay, they're located in China. So is one of the world's largest deserts, the Taklamakan deserts. Okay, go ahead, get your giggles in. I know you guys love how that word just sounded. Okay, but they have the world's largest deserts. China has some of the longest rivers in the world. China's climate is just as extreme as its physical features. The weather can vary from ice storms in the high mountains to the dreaded sandstorms of the Taklamakan Desert. The sandstorms darken the skies as if it were nighttime. Hot, howling winds fill the air with sand and gravel. Okay, so try to imagine that. Okay, we always think of cartoons and seeing the desert storms and stuff. Well, this is a sandstorm, okay? It gets very hot. It's dark. It could be, the sun's out. I know we haven't seen the sun really in a couple days. It's been kind of gloomy out, but imagine that. And you have the air is filled with sand and gravel. Not a nice picture drawn there. You have to protect your eyes, protect your body. For people caught in a sandstorm, survival may mean wrapping themselves in clothing or blankets and lying down until the storm passes. That could be hours, perhaps even days. Think about our cartoons, okay? The sandstorms that tend to happen. And then all of a sudden you see this mound moving, and then the cartoon character pops up. Okay, that's the best description that I can give you here. As you can see, China is a land of contrasts. Means a lot of differences. You will compare 5 geographic regions in China and learn about the climate, physical features, and vegetation of each region. Let's discover how geography affected the history of the early Chinese people. They were settled, where they settled, the way they lived, and how they communicated with other civilizations. Okay? So that's the stuff we're going to be reading about about the geography. Again, you do not have to write the 5 facts with this. If you look at the instruction paper that goes with week 3, there's no 5 facts for the introduction. However, you do have to complete the word search. Okay? So if you guys have any questions, always let me know. When I make my phone calls, or you can always email me your questions. Okay? I hope all is well. See you guys in the next video.